Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As you already know, just basically got off of work. Starting to get dark out now. See the little package, as you can see. So we're gonna get into this little tool haul real quick. As you already know, stay with my Dunkin' Donuts coffee lingering. So let's see what we got over here. Okay, as you can see, this is a snap-on 10-piece screw extractor set. Okay. Pardon me for the lighting because I am out on the balcony and it's basically starting to get a little dark. But it has the hex angle head multi-spline set. Okay. Closer look. Make it quick and short. I'll probably throw it up again in the shop where it's more light. Till next time. Peace.